How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron, back at another Jeep Wrangler JK video. Today we're going to be installing some hardtop thumb screws. These work with all CJ, YJ, TJ, JK, JL, and I believe maybe the JT. They work for all Wrangler models, and they come with the little nut plate for the older models that don't have, you know, whatever the stuff attaches to. They come with the thumb screws, and they come with the washers as well. So it's a really easy install. It eliminates the need for tools to remove the factory hardtop bolts. As you guys can see, there's 3 for each side. There's one right there by the alignment peg. There's one there, and there's one back there that's 3 on each side. And if you have a 4-door JK, there's also 2 on top by above the doors where the freedom panels attached to. So yeah, let's get right into it. It's like a 5-minute install, if that. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so obviously the first step is to grab your Jeep toolkit. You're going to be using the ratchet included. You're going to be using the T40 Torx. You can also use like your own ratchet and stuff, but this is nice, small, and compact. And we're just going to undo the bolt. Just unscrew the factory Torx bolt. So this is the factory bolt, the T40. You're going to want to open up your little bag, grab a thumb screw and a washer, and all you're going to want to do is literally put the washer on the thumb screw, and that's installed. I'll do this one whole side and I'll do the rest, and then I'll show you the final outcome. Okay, and that was the installation of the Jeep Wrangler hardtop thumb screws. Now this is just a side-by-side of the factory T40 Torx screw versus the aftermarket thumb screws. As you guys can see, I have them all, 6 of them, installed on my JK. Like I mentioned earlier, they work for CJs, YJs, TJs, JKs, and JLs. I'll leave a link down below. They're pretty cheap too. They're only like $13. But yeah, they pretty much eliminate the whole use of this toolkit for removing the hardtop. I know some people don't run their bolts on the bottom of their doors, so honestly, you won't even need that. I do, but yeah, it totally eliminates the need for the T40 to remove the hardtop. But yeah, leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more Jeep Wrangler videos. Comment on what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you all next time.